Welcome back in the kitchen again with another episode. We have episode 1 at the moment. So tune in and watch the full episode. And please share the video. Please tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. And please subscribe. We have a lot of recipe for you guys ahead, which is coming. Stay tuned. Nice one, guys. So right here, we're going to make you guys. This is some new stuff just come out. They said vegan. All right. Got bean, carrot, and kale inside of it. It is a vegan dish, but this is a vegan garlic and the oil what they use. So that's what I'm gonna be using to do this lovely stir fry. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna be doing a jerk stir fry. So all right, get the oil inside of it. You see the olive oil. We're gonna put a little bit of olive oil in the front pan. So that's where they mix it with the garlic. So we're gonna get off a lovely stir fry off of it, all right? So it's gonna be so beautiful, guys, trust me. It's a vegan stir fry vegetable. Got some peppers. Nice one. And we got some garlic. That's some garlic. So right here, this is the bean on this curd cake. All right, so we're gonna be making a jerk pasta with the vegetable, but it's like a vegan style. This one is a brand new one just come out on the market because I never see this one in that shop before. So I just decided I want to try it for myself and see. Yeah. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put some herbs. This is some basil. Or some pepper. Mixed herb. All right, we're gonna put some cloves. All right, the jerk seasoning I'm using is all natural blending season. So it's also for vegan and vegetarian also. All right, just gonna put a little bit of the jerk seasoning inside of it. And this pasta is a vegan pasta. I'm just gonna put a little bit of pasta in the pot. Right over here, we're gonna put our and that's looking so lovely, guys. Trust me. All right, let's share it up, and that's looking good. That's the ball. Nice one. But look at this. Oh my, that is beautiful, guys. And this is what you want to see. Fantastic and amazing, guys. Jerk pasta, vegan style. All right, yeah, that is amazing, guys. But look at that. That is so beautiful and nice. All right, yeah, man. Look at that. Fantastic and an amazing. So if you like the recipe, leave your comments in the description box. Please tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. All right, stay tuned. So as I can see, jerk pasta, vegan style. All right, something different with some vegetable. Stay tuned. Catch you with another one. Bye bye.